Before we talk about this machine, let's have a little conversation about the history of the orchard spreaders. Basically, spreader at the back, bander at the front. 6 years ago we came up with this. This is 6 years old, been doing a lot of work over in the Bay of Plenty. Very little corrosion being seen. That's our paint system there. You actually see where the wear's worn through, and then you'll see the grey is the thermal arcing, which is like the zinc coating that we put under everything, and then there's the paint on top of that. So it's a good example of visualizing the coating system we use. So look, it was a great design, but we like to improve things around here. This is set up for an apple orchard situation contractor. So they've opted for the 500 high top hats, which gives us roughly 5 and then some change cubic meters in the bin. Inside of the bin there, nice. He also went for 400 wide wheels, which does make it 2 meters wide, but the standard wheel 1600 millimeters wide. Okay, so the obvious changes here is the side banding conveyor has been made shorter so that you can discharge out this side and have rut filling capabilities if you choose to. There is the center banding option. If you take the mat out, all of the material can fall down into the center. You've also got just your normal control from your screen, going really slow into a sort of more of a tripod pyramid sort of pile, or really fast into a bit of more of a spray. It'll spray right out to a meter quite easily. This machine, I believe, is the lightest on the market, but we have engineered it to be the strongest, we believe. So the conduits now go through the inside of the machine and up around the corner there. Can't see where it comes out, but it comes out just here straight to the back of your tractor, nice and simple. So we've got hydraulics in, hydraulics out, plus the electronics. This is the main 4 areas we're seeing is being used. We've gone up thicknesses to 5mm. We've gone up thicknesses here, put some strengthening in, changed to aluminium. This is now 7 kgs instead of 21, and without hoses coming around here, it's really easy to get to, so it's a lot more ergonomic. We've incorporated our electrical control box. This machine, like I said, is 3 cubic meters, a little bit heaped up. It's 2.5 cubic meters to the waterline. So I believe the largest capacity on the market now. Spinners can be reversed by QRs, keep it simple. However, all orchard spreaders now are load cell compatible, so you can do it later, but the load cells do come with electric back door, super handy, opens and closes from the screen, so you can finish your row and then go back and fill up. Right, what have I missed? The screen is ISObus compliant, ties in with Trimble quite nicely, good support for the Trimble systems. Come have a look at field days. We can go through it in a little bit more details. You'll pay about $58,000 for this fully spec'd. Otherwise, the standard one without the load cells is $49,000 RRP. Great value.